The Veloster N shares its basic mechanicals with the i30N2, which means it's powered by a turbocharged 2.0 liter inline 4 producing up to 275 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. The i30N has an optional performance package that raises power from the 250 HP to 271 HP, so we expect the Veloster to offer a similar hierarchy. This engine powers the front wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission, and an electronically controlled limited slip differential is optional equipment. Additional performance features adaptive dampers, launch control capability, automatic rev matching, and a variable exhauster on the menu too, and are controlled via a set of 5 driving modes, including an N setting that's meant for the track. 2 wheel and tire packages will be offered. The 18-inch base wheel is wrapped in 225 series Michelin Pilot Super Sport performance tires, while an optional 19-inch wheel has wider, 235 series Pirelli P Zero rubber. There's also an available brake upgrade that brings larger rotors at all 4 corners. This funky little 3-door with legitimate performance credentials is shaping up to be an enticing competitor in the sport compact segment. Hyundai isn't yet announcing price, however, and the N's chances for success likely will increase if it skews more toward the $25,000 to $30,000 arena, where the lower powered GTI and Civic Si play, rather than the $35,000 to $40,000 range of the more powerful Golf R and Civic Type R.